Cases of deaths from the blue pill have been on the rise lately, with medical experts warning against the usage of these drugs without medical prescription. It's been the talk of town lately. Cases of men dying due to an increase in the usage of sex-enhancing medicine have been on the rise. One of the main causes cited is lack of proper prescriptions.
We need to ask ourselves, does any man or any woman a sexual experience beyond what naturally they can deliver?
The blue pill, popularly known as viagra, is a prescription-only medication used to treat erectile dysfunction. It increases the flow of blood and makes it easier to get and keep an erection. According to medics, the pill is a prescription for men who suffer from erectile dysfunction. However, before taking the medication, a doctor has to conduct a thorough checkup so as to ascertain that the patient can safely use it.
The cardiovascular diseases, also diabetes, these people who are living with comorbidities, it can easily cause death because, for instance, some of them will cause low blood pressure. So if you're on medication on high blood pressure, whose core objective is to lower your pressure, and then you expose yourself to another drug that lowers the pressure will go low beyond the expected limits.
Due to the continuous misuse of the drug, the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya issued a statement cautioning the public against the unprescribed use of the drug. The effects include headaches, nose bleeding, discomfort and pain in the upper abdomen, trouble falling or staying asleep, and dizziness. In a worst-case scenario, it may lead to cardiac risk to patients with pre-existing cardiovascular diseases.
It is a challenge to all of us that we need to be deliberate in preparing a proper meal for these men, because at the end of the day, sexual capability of a man is determined by their psychological or mental health and also what they feed on.
Some men are using the pills as recreational drugs. Increasingly, younger men are now resorting to the pill.
Nowadays, it is being sold as a package between the blue pills and the e-pills, because the girls would want to prevent pregnancy. At the same time, they will also want to put that pressure in man that you really have to deliver to my expectations sexually.
However, there have been natural traditional alternatives to the pill that different cultures have resorted to. In the coast, men have to take a glass of milk mixed with nutmeg, commonly known as kukumanga, so as to enhance an erection.
Wazee wa zamani kama mababu zetu walikuwa wanatumia kitu kama mgomberai, wanatumia kitu kama njugu na simusimu. Ndio unaona kizazi yao ilikuwa kizazi bora. Lakini sisi vitu zenye tunajieka kwenda kwa duka na kununua dawa ya kuongeza nguvu.
However, the Pharmacy and Poisons Board in the Ministry of Health says that it is illegal to sell these drugs without a prescription and should only be sold to men above the age of 18.
Ningekuwa ati haifanyi kazi, kwanza mimi mwenyewe vile naongea hivi niko fitikale kabisa. Kama unataka kuamini, niko na boma na niko na watoto kutoka kwa hii migombero.
Jiji na Magundu, K24 Weekend Edition.